Okay, so we're going to talk about mint leaves and how it does an amazing job of helping your body process things and do things and be great and spectacular. Isn't that right?
Yes.
Wow, I have the world's driest background vocal singers here.
Woo.
Chris, you know dry?
Hey,
Mint leaves.
hey.
Oh, what happened?
Oh, that's all I got.
We're going to try again, guys.
The free sample's over.
Wow.
Oh, free sample.
Wow, I didn't say it last night. All right, so mint leaves are packed full of antimicrobial and antifungal things, and they're good for you. It actually helps aid with, indigestion, upset stomach, diarrhea, and stuff. So it helps cleanse out your body and gets rid of it. So if you ever have had some green tea, you should know what I'm talking about here. Green tea is amazing for your body because it helps. Actually, you know what? 1 second.
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
Okay, it didn't look right. But yeah, so green tea, good for you, spectacular, aids indigestion, upset stomach, and all that fun stuff. So if you haven't had green tea, then you should do that. Actually, we're not even talking about green tea. We're talking about mint leaves. Dang it. Okay, so here's one I found out, and it's going to be great for Chris because she's about to have a baby and whatnot, and then we're going to have this amazing baby, and she's going to be breastfeeding. So Chris, you come up here now?
Oh.
No, okay, she's still not going to show up. But one thing that peppermint infused water does a great job of healing cracked nipples and whatnot. So, when women are breastfeeding and
What
all.
was I supposed to show them?
No, you probably just come show your face.
Oh, okay.
I mean, unless it makes money.
Hmm.
I don't. But yeah, so anyway, you spray it on like the nipples or like a nipple pad, but not directly when breastfeeding or before breastfeeding, like after breastfeeding with some time in between. But it helps heal up cracked nipples and take care of that whole situation there. Yeah. I never advise essential oils for babies, but a little essential oil with a lot of water and spritz on the nips or what are those things you got? Like the pad things?
Nursing pads.
Nursing pads. You put them in like a bra thing, and it does a great job of like protecting the nips. And I like nips. Nips lips. Okay, so here's another great thing about it is it actually does a great job of relieving your body of any seasonal allergy symptoms because inside of the mint leaves they have a whole bunch of like components that fight phlegm and mucus and stuff. So if you have that nasally, phlegmy type of, seasonal allergy, that disgusting stuff that nobody wants to be around you, you can get some of this stuff and you put it in your tea and drink it, and then what happens is, it gets rid of that, breaks it all down, and allows you just to poop it all out, bloop, 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 gets all of that out of there. And you get this nice poop. It's not green though. It's not green. It's kind of minty. Yeah, that makes sense, right? Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Okay, all right. I'm holding them hostage, and they just have to kind of be here while this is happening. And they're okay with it, though, right? Yeah.
Maybe.
All right, cool. I'm cool with this. All right, friendship at its finest. Last but not least, mint leaves, peppermint does a great job of freshening your breath. So if you are walking around with really stink breath, and no one's told you yet, I'm going to be the first one to tell you that that's disgusting. Fix yourself, help yourself out, do something better. Invest in like a natural toothpaste or a natural, deodorant for your underarms. If you got to eat the deodorant, that's fine too. Just do something because if your breath is rocking, you're going to have a hard time, a very difficult time enjoying life with people and having friends and family and just stuff like that. So mint leaves, great thing. Chew them, the whole leaf, just all of it. Don't cut it up, don't infuse it, just chew mint leaves to help freshen your breath. I do it all the time when I go to Kava. They ask if I want mint. I say yes, and they try to rip it up, and I say no. Just leave it like that because my breath smells terrible. And they give it to me. And then she laughs, and then I don't laugh because it's not that funny. Bad breath is not a joke. Bad breath is never a joke. See, that's how that ended. Before I forget, subscribe to the channel, like this video, share, comment, leave suggestions on stuff you want me to talk about because I'm kind of running out of stuff to talk about here. My brain's kind of running a little low. I'm out of energy today, and I pooped myself earlier, and I never got a chance to wipe. So it's just a lot of issues going on here, and I do apologize. So, yeah, thanks. Chris, I did actually poop myself, though. Still love me?
Yeah, yeah, you'll use this prayer upstairs.
No.
Mm.
Can you do it for me?
Mm.